Hey guys, welcome to Shack Pack Video Science Challenge. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome to the Shack Pack Video Science Challenge. This is gonna be awesome.
So first, guys, you gotta wet the outside of the bag. Make sure you don't get any of it in the inside. Then dry it off.
All we have to do is throw our bag in for 7 seconds and boom, 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 boom. We got our science. Boom, we got our science. Boom! Experiment.
After that, you just gotta take the Doritos out and put it on the table.
And after that, put the ice in the water, put the Dorito bag in the water, and boom, boom!
Yeah, double flip it.
Do not try this at home, and make sure if you do decide to do this experiment, have your parents' permission.
Alright, this could go very bad, okay? Do not try this at home. You have to understand, our household, we go by a different set of rules. The first rule is fun, okay? So, we don't really have rules, alright? But these dudes look like they're excited. I'm scared. But I'm not gonna stop their fun, so. Alright, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's dry, come on.
Dry it, so, you know what I'm saying? Doesn't matter how long you wet it, you're gonna dry it. Alright, everything is out of it, right?
Yes, sir.
I didn't. Well,
Did you want to show this step of them drying it?
Good, yeah, let me see.
Okay, because they're going to need that.
Alright, hold on. Alright, comfortable.
Okay.
Alright. Should be pretty dry.
My heart's beating fast on this one.
Ours is not.
My heart's beating fast on this one.
Ours is not.
just take a deep breath. Like that time.
Oh boy. Alright, here we go. I'm scared, but I ain't scared when it comes to one of y'all getting hurt.
Start.
Yep, when you press it, get back.
Whoa!
It worked. Alright, go ahead.
Burn it.
Alright, pick it up, hurry up.
Just place it on the table or put it in here.
Put it in there. Oh, no, not yet, not yet. Put your ice in. Hurry up. No, drop that. Alright, dunk it. Dunk it.
Use the big side, baby.
What is it supposed to do?
Alright, now take it out. And start massaging it.
Okay.
You gotta keep
Yep.
massaging.
I got it. Alright, good. Alright, so the reason why it didn't go down so small is because we got the really big bag. Alright. Usually they're supposed to be able to flex back out, but we used our alternative microwave and we got stuck with small Dorito bags, but they're pretty cool. So we're going to keep them as souvenirs, and the kids are excited. And we got little small Doritos with the contents on the back.
It's all bubbly.
With the contents on the back. So cool.
This one, I can't even see the one.
All right.